Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about tomorrow's market analysis, that is for 24th of July. So this is a very unique kind of analysis with a calculation based. Okay, so this analysis will be based on my formula based calculation, no indicators, and these are very simple to follow. And also guys, please note this video is only for educational purpose. Before you invest or trade in the stocks or the levels, you can do your own analysis as well. So I'll be telling about Nifty 50 analysis, Bank Nifty analysis, and also I'll be telling you the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading with the analysis. So watch the video to the end to get all the information regarding this. So first, let's talk about Nifty 50 analysis for tomorrow. So tomorrow, once the Nifty 50 opens at 9:15, just see the opening price and add opening price plus 185 to find out the maximum high what the Nifty 50 can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 185 to find the maximum low what the Nifty 50 can go for tomorrow, and opening price plus 92 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 92 to find out the key support level. So this is the analysis for Nifty 50. And now let's talk about the Bank Nifty analysis. So for Bank Nifty, just add the opening price plus 370 to find out the maximum high what it can go, and opening price minus 370 to find out the maximum low what it can go, and opening price plus 185 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 185 to find out the key support level for the Bank Nifty. Okay, so these are the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And before I tell you the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading, I'll show you the previous trade what we did on the previous day. So we shorted M&M stock and we traded on this stock and we were able to book 60,000 rupees profit. So this was a quick review of the trade on the previous day what we did. And guys, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading and want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading like this, you can join us today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support with daily live market guidance as well. You can just go inside my channel and watch all of the educational videos and also the daily live trade videos what I'm uploading. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what you spend for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. And also once you join us, you will get everyday live market support as well. The live trade what I'm taking, the same trades you will be getting, and I'll be guiding you personally in live market once you join us. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So guys, yes, now let's talk about the stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. So the first stock is Tata Consumer stock. So once the stock opens tomorrow at 9:15, just see the opening price plus 25 to see the maximum high what the Tata Consumer stock can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 25 to find out the maximum low what it can go for tomorrow, and opening price plus 13 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 13 to find out the key support level for the Tata Consumer stock. The next stock is Coromandel stock. So tomorrow after 9:15, just see the opening price of this stock and add opening price plus 30 to find out the maximum high what the stock can go tomorrow, and opening price minus 30 to find out the maximum low how it can perform tomorrow, and opening price plus 15 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 15 to find out the key support level. So these are the two stocks for tomorrow's intraday trading, and this is Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis guys. And also yes, if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit from today and want to get the live market guidance from me, you can join us now and I'll be guiding you personally every day in the live market. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support, and I'll be guiding you with my years and years of experience, which will make it easy and better for you. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.